Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a feature enhancement we've added to our multi-map. When you open a multi-map, you're going to see something different from what you normally would in the upper right-hand corner of your map area. The Map Features dialog box you see here explains the newly implemented functionality of adding a site through your multi-map. Some of our older functions, such as doing a path analysis or adding a device, were modified slightly to work alongside the new feature. Instructions for those elements are also contained in this box. Left-click the map to drop a green pin. From here, you can either left-click the pin or right-click the pin depending on the action you want to perform. If you want to add a new tower site, you can proceed by left-clicking the pin. Fill in the fields as you normally would and select your pin color. If the name you selected for your site already exists, you'll receive a warning and be given an opportunity to go back and change your settings. Once the site is created, you'll see a success message as well as a pin on your map in the color you chose. That is, if you've set the Show Pins option to on, as you can see here. And of course, all the sites created here will show up in your sites list just as it would if you had created it from the standard interface. If you'd like to perform a path analysis instead of creating a site, you would choose to right-click the pin. Performing this action will open up a new tab and give you the 6 best results for your chosen location. If neither of these options are of interest to you and you just want to create a new device, you can right-click anywhere on the map, aside from directly on a recently placed pin. Choose the type of device you'd like to create from the drop-down. Once you've filled out all the required info, click Create, and the device will appear in your device list, which you can access under the Coverages section of the left side panel on your dashboard. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.